Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to use Meta AI to create GIFs for your WhatsApp messages quickly and easily. Now begin by opening the Meta AI app on your phone. Now if you don't have it installed, download it from the application store. In the app, enter your desired text prompt that describes the type of GIF you want. Meta AI will use this prompt to create a custom GIF for you. Now once Meta AI generates the GIF, you can tweak it by adding text, changing the background, or adjusting the animation speed to make it more personalized. Now after finalizing your GIF, export it directly to your phone's gallery. Open WhatsApp, go to the chat where you want to send it, and simply upload the GIF from your gallery. And that is how you can create a custom GIF using Meta AI and send them on WhatsApp. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.